So how can you edit pictures in the Snapseed? In this video, I'm going to guide you through the general way how it would work. And if you are new on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get into it. So you would open up the Snapseed photo editor. Of course, make sure you have it installed. You get inside and let me just come back because I'm in the middle of something in here, but I'm going to come back to the main page and this is what it would look like for you. So if you have some projects or images you worked on before, they're going to show up in here. But if you want to start working on a brand new image, what we can click on is the green button at the bottom, which says add a photo. Like this, and we can choose a picture from the gallery. So we want to perform some edits. So let's say that I'm gonna pick like this picture of this microphone. It's just an example, obviously, and now we can make some edits to it. So at first, in the bottom left, we have the looks. So you can click on looks and we have things like the filters, which you can scroll through and kind of like apply to your image. You can see that it kind of changes it. And it's basically like a filter, which you can place on the top of your image. Right, so that's the first thing, but you can come back and the most important part of the Snapseed app is at the bottom section in the middle, which says tools. So it is now selected. You have a few things in here, but I think it's best to swipe up to reveal all of the features. As I say, this is the important part of the app. So here you have basically everything you might need. So for example, you have the basic tools like cropping, right? So you can see you can crop the image as much as you like, right? And when you're happy, you just apply this effect. But now we continue further. For example, we can click on the white balance, right? Let's say that this image feels a little too cool, so we can add the temperature there, or make it go all the way to the other side and make it kind of like blue, right? So that depends on what the goal is, but let's say that I adjust it like this and now confirm it again. So it's already second effect we applied to that image. But we can keep on going, right? It just depends on how we want to have it. Another cool effect is the healing tool. So you can see we have the healing right there. So you can click on it. And this is nice if you want to remove some unwanted parts of the image. So for example, let's say that I don't want the logo to be there, right? So what I can do is I can select it like this. Right, and what happens now is that the logo simply disappears, right? I can confirm the changes, and now there are three effects placed on the top of the image. We have the color temperature changed, we have the cropped image, and also the healing to remove the logo. So as long as we are happy with the image, we just click on export and export it to our gallery like that. And when I go to my photos, you can see the latest image is this one, saved with all of the things which we applied to it. So that's nice. That's how it works. I hope it helps. Let me know in the comments below if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.